Good afternoon, everyone. It is week number 13, January 24th for English 7D KIT Tabata campus. This is our we have only three more classes until the end of the class. And I just answered a very good question from one of the students about the final test, and I will make sure that you guys understand the final test in this English explanation. So it'll go up on our Moodle as a video in YouTube. If you don't understand my English, try again with the English subtitles. If you really don't understand this video on YouTube, even with the English subtitles, you can always watch it with the Japanese subtitles, but I think your English is good enough to be able to do it. In any case, let's take a look at this week's work. Okay. This is week number 13, so we don't have that much to do. Basically, just your reflection exercise. Don't forget to do this, okay? And your solving problems manuscript is due tomorrow. Wednesday. I'm sorry, not tomorrow. It is due on Wednesday, okay, which is 2 days from now at 11 p.m. Okay. Now, the reason I'm thinking of tomorrow is because I was thinking about the test. Now, the thing about the test, after I show you week 14, okay, this video is due here, and that is also due on Wednesday, okay, February 2nd. Then starting from week 15, okay, the due dates are going to become 1 day only. So that's why I was thinking of tomorrow. You will have only basically 1 day. So about, what is that, 30 hours, maybe 29 hours to do your manuscript. Although, you know, it's not that hard to do a manuscript. It's basically the next chapter in the book, but you will have only this much time also when it's time for you to do your video. So basically you have today in week 13, 2 days to do your manuscript. But when it comes time to do your final manuscript and your final video, you have to do it only in 1 day. So something that I want you to be able to do, to get these videos done in only 1 day. Okay. Now, I know that this says test, but I don't need for you to think of this as a test. The only thing that's really quite different about what we're going to be doing, because it's the same system. You do a manuscript on 1 day, and then you do a video on the next week. Okay. It's basically the same system we've been doing all semester. It's just that you'll have less time to prepare. I'm not a big believer in giving you final tests just to make it even harder on you. My philosophy in getting you to learn things is to give you lots of chances to practice. So that's why we did 8 manuscripts. We've done 6 manuscripts. The next 2 weeks will be our 7th. And by the time the entire semester is over, we'll have done 8 manuscripts. I think you learn more by doing a lot of little tasks as opposed to like studying for one big test. I think that's a very old way to think about education. So it does say test here, okay, but it's not like I'm going to make you sit down with a pen and paper and write a test for me. It's still basically just give me your manuscript the week before and then make a video for it, okay? It's nothing too different from what we've already done. And, you know, this is at least a good month or almost a month away, so we still have plenty of time to talk about it. What I want you to remember is that for this week, there it is, you have your reflection exercise. I want you to watch this video and answer the question about making your poses and your gestures stronger, not just for your videos, but also for any time that you have to do a presentation. Because if you guys have to do a presentation, learning how to look strong in front of people, learning how to project power by the way that you stand and by the way that you gesture is very, very important. I want you to look at this and answer this question. And then I want you to get your solving problems manuscript into me by Wednesday at 11 p.m. Okay. If you have any questions, you can always email me. Otherwise, you can, as some of you do, ask very good questions in the end of class. Okay. So thanks very much.